G'day everyone, I am in today a Ford Mustang that has a Sync 2 8-inch screen. We've always been able to do our MFT kit in here, but the customer's choice was either a bigger floating screen or a smaller 7-inch to fit in this opening. But today, obviously, Kenwood's direct replacement 8-inch DAX 8000 is coming into this car. So we're going to keep all of these buttons and dials, steering wheel controls, factory amplifier. This is certainly going to be a really popular car for the DAX 8000 Kenwood direct replacement unit with the Maestro Apex FO1 kit, so stay tuned. Ford Mustang Kenwood direct replacement DAX 8000 install done. As you can see, it just looks like it's meant to be there. All these dials are continuing to be used. We can program the eject button and the music button. So that's the CarPlay navigation. If I use the eject button, it'll go back to the home screen. We can long press. We get our gauges, which just are awesome. We obviously get our climate control, which is full touch on the Fords, as well as heated, cooled seats, all just like the factory setup. Reverse camera maintained, factory lines maintained. Another unique feature on the Kenwood is this zoom function. So we actually have a button on the screen so that we can zoom in on the camera. The full amplifier retention, steering wheel controls. There's some vehicle menus for the ambient lighting on this car. As usual, vehicle info gives us tyre pressure monitoring. It comes with a USB retention, which is here in the glove box. So this is our Apex S8 FO1 with the Kenwood DAC system.